my name is Waylon Smalley. Welcome back to the garden. Today it's Sunday, November 22nd. Now that is nice. Man, that is nice. I was asked a question about my perennials. What do we do to take care of them over the winter? Never had that problem before. The weeds come on, they disappear. Problem solved. One of the benefits of having this weed-free garden is your perennials, your blueberries, your rosemary, your lavender, they all have a chance to make it through the winter. Now, it's very complicated what you have to do to these guys. The pruning, the prep, all that, no, there's nothing to it. One of the things you want to make sure with your rosemary and your lavender, you want to make sure they have enough water. It seems almost counterintuitive. Wow, that smells great. You know, it seems almost counterintuitive coming into the winter to make sure you water it, but these plants have to have plenty of water to make the antifreeze. You don't need to prune them back. It rained really, really hard last night, so I'm not going to bring the hose out here and give them a drink. But if it doesn't frost good within the next 2 weeks, I'll probably be out here and give them a little more water. But all you really have to do is make sure that they have enough water and then heavily mulch around them, and they'll be just fine till spring. The one good thing about having a pitchfork and a preset mulch pile, you can just come back in here and add a little bit. You want to make sure you do the same thing around the blueberries. Make sure they got a little extra mulch. Obviously, I'm not done mulching this area. Now, I'm new to blueberries, but what I understand is you do not need to prune anything that's not dead wood. Next year's blueberries come out of these little buds that form in the fall. Like the garlic, this is another plant that needs a certain number of cold hours before it's going to make fruit. So we just make sure it had enough water. Usually the rain in the fall does the trick, but if it's really, really dry where you are, you may want to add a little water. Then go ahead and make sure you have a decent deep layer of mulch around it, and they ought to be just fine. We'll see what we get. The lavender is the same way. Make sure they have enough water, and then go ahead and mulch heavy around them. As you saw yesterday, Riley helped us mulch around this rosemary. So prepping your perennials for winter is really no big deal. If you find any of this helpful, please hit the subscribe button. And by hitting the like button, you help my channel grow. If you want to know how we planted this, hit that link right there and I'll meet you back in the garden. But until next time, remember, take care of yourself, take care of your family, and God bless you. Come on, let's plant. Let's go plant garden.